Hello friends, this is Nurmal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to compare two mid-range phones, the Coolpad Cool One with the Lenovo's K6 Note. So these two phones are priced 13,999 and comes with good features and specifications. So in this video we'll compare a lot of aspects about these two phones and decide which is the better device to buy, and we'll also compare which is the value for money device out there. So without any further delay, let's get started with the comparison. So first up, let's have a look at the design and build quality. So design wise, you can see both these devices are made of unibody metallic construction and looks pretty premium as well. While we have curved edges on the Lenovo's K6 Note, we have flat edges with chamfered edges on the Coolpad Cool One. While holding the device, we would say Lenovo K6 Note is a better device because of the curved edges. It is also slightly slippery, and the Coolpad Cool One also provides good overall design and build quality. On the front panel, you can see there are three capacitive touch buttons. They are backlit on the Coolpad Cool One, while they are not on the Lenovo K6 Note. So overall, we would say build quality and design looks really good on both the phones. Now let's talk about the display. So we have a 5.5 inches display size on both the phones. They are full HD display, and the display quality looks really good on both the phones. The viewing angles and the color quality are equally good on both the phones. But the advantage for the Lenovo's K6 Note is that the brightness levels are much better than the Coolpad Cool One. So the outdoor visibility is definitely better on the Lenovo's K6 Note. So for that reason, we would say the Lenovo's K6 Note has a superior display when compared to the Coolpad Cool One. Now let's talk about the software. So here there is a major difference, and while both these devices run on Android 6.0 Marshmallow, the UI is quite different. So let's first talk about the UI, which is on the Coolpad Cool One. So this comes with multiple home screens, and this is a completely different UI when compared to the stock-like experience. So if you press the multitasking, you get these quick toggles and also the option to multitask, and there are some additional options also included. And if you go to the settings, we have this option to customize the controls, and some added features are also included. There is also support for few themes, and you also get a remote control option because this has an IR blaster, so you can control your TV and air conditioner. And there is also phone manager, which allows you to clean junk and optimize the device. So the UI looks quite decent. It's not a really feature-rich UI, but does the job pretty well, and comes with a few features as well. Now talking about the Lenovo's K6 Note, so this comes with the Lenovo's Vibe UI, which now has the app drawer, and the look and feel looks very similar to the stock-like experience. So it also comes with a theme center. There are a few themes included, and if you go to the settings panel, you can see it has custom options including some features, which is double tap to wake, quick snap, smart screen. There is support for VR. There is dual app profile, which means you can run two instances of the WhatsApp, WeChat, etc. And some options are also included. So the UI looks slightly better on the Lenovo's K6 Note for two reasons. One is added features are included, and it also has a resemblance to the stock-like experience. But if you're a person who loves completely different customizable UI, then UI also provides that option. Now the advantage for the Lenovo K6 Note is that there is Dolby Atmos support, and it also has the VR support. So those are some of the added features available on the Lenovo's K6 Note. So that's the K6 Note software and performance. Now let's talk about the performance of these two phones. So here we have a major difference. The Coolpad Cool One is powered by the really powerful Snapdragon 652 octa-core chipset coupled with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, while we have the Snapdragon 430 with 3 gigs of RAM. There is also 4 GB RAM variant and 32 gigs of storage. Now the performance of these two phones in day-to-day experience is pretty good. The Coolpad Cool One definitely has an edge with the Snapdragon 652. When you multitask and run heavy apps, you could really see that Coolpad Cool One has the better out of the two processors. And in terms of the gaming experience, again Coolpad Cool One has a better gaming experience, but the heating issue is considerably higher at 54 degrees when compared to 45 to 46 on the Lenovo's K6 Note. So if you are a gamer, definitely Coolpad Cool One is a better choice, but you have to live with the heating issue on this device. So both these phones come with dual SIM cards and VoLTE. The Lenovo K6 Note additionally has micro SD card expansion slot, which is missing on the Coolpad's Cool One. So that is the performance aspect. Now talking about the fingerprint scanner experience, again they are located on the rear panel and does the job pretty well in unlocking the device. Now let's talk about the camera. So here we have a 13 megapixel dual camera on the CoolPad Cool1 and a front facing 8 megapixel camera, while on the Lenovo K6 Note it's a 16 megapixel camera with dual tone dual LED flash and a front facing 8 megapixel camera. Now the camera interface, we would say the CoolPad Cool1 definitely has slightly more features and options. Even the Lenovo's K6 Note interface definitely is a good interface with smart composition mode and a few options as well. So now let's talk about the camera samples which we have taken between these two devices, and you can see that here the CoolPad Cool1 with the dual camera definitely impresses us with a better clarity and better sharpness levels, and also the color reproduction looks pretty good. The Lenovo K6 Note definitely has a decent camera out there, but this color saturation doesn't look that great, and also it overexposes the image slightly in bright sunlight. So definitely our choice in the camera would be the CoolPad Cool1 because it has really good dual cameras, and the low light experience also looks really good. Now the selfie experience is also pretty decent on both the phones. Now additionally, the CoolPad Cool1 can also record in 4K resolution. So in terms of the camera experience, we would pick the CoolPad's Cool1. Now finally talking about the battery experience. So both the phones come with 4000 mAh battery, and there's no real winner in terms of the battery performance, and with both these devices you can easily get through 1.5 day of usage with a massive 4000 mAh battery, and the battery performance is really good on both the phones. So that was the detailed comparison of these two phones. So which is the better device to buy here? Now the CoolPad Cool1 is priced 13,999, while the Lenovo's K6 Note with a 3GB RAM is priced 13,999. So the pricing is exactly the same. So for that same pricing, we would say the CoolPad Cool1 definitely makes much better sense to buy because it's a powerful chipset. Then we have really good cameras, and overall it offers a really good package with 4GB RAM. Now the Lenovo's K6 Note is also a decent performing device, but it will not beat the CoolPad Cool1 in terms of the overall package being offered. But the advantage for the Lenovo K6 Note is available in offline stores, and while the CoolPad Cool1 will be available only via Amazon. So our choice would be the CoolPad Cool1. So that was a detailed comparison of these two phones. So hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.